Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Peasy English. I'm Christine, an ESL teacher with over 5 years of experience helping learners like you communicate effectively. In today's lesson, we'll explore basic greetings and introductions. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time or catching up with a friend, knowing how to greet people properly is essential. So let's get started. First, let's go over some common greetings that you can use in various situations. Here are several examples along with their contexts. How's it going? Just a casual way to say hi to friends or people you know. It's like asking, "How are you?" but feels a bit more laid back. What's up? A fun, informal way to kick off a chat with friends. It's perfect for starting a conversation and encourages a light reply. Nice to see you. Use this when you run into someone you know. It's warm and friendly, showing you're happy to see them again. How have you been? This is great for catching up with someone you haven't seen in a while. It invites them to share what's been going on in their life. Long time no see. This is perfect for friends you haven't seen in ages. It feels personal and acknowledges the time apart. Next is, how's everything? This is a good all-around greeting that fits both casual and slightly formal situations. It's a nice way to check in on someone. Hope you're doing well. You'll often hear this in emails or quick chats. It shows you care, but keeps it light. What's new with you? This is a friendly way to ask what's been happening in someone's life lately. It's all about the updates. Hey there, how's life treating you? This is a casual and warm way to check in on someone's well-being. It shows you're interested in how they are doing. Next, we have, what have you been up to? This is a relaxed way to ask about someone's recent activities. It's all about what they've been doing recently. How's your day going? This is a great way to start a conversation. It shows you care about what's happening right now. And we have, how's your week been? This is perfect for a chat in the middle or end of the week. It shows you're interested in their recent experiences. These greetings are not only easy to remember, but also set a positive tone for your conversations. Choose the right one based on your relationship with the person and the context of the meeting. Next, let's discuss how to introduce yourself. The approach can be different depending on the formality of the situation. Here are some examples. In formal situations like business meetings, you might say, "It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm your name and I'm your job title." Hello, I'm your name from your company name. Good afternoon. My name is your name and I work in your industry or field. I'm honored to meet you. I've heard so much about you. Here are examples. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm Christine and I'm the project manager for ABC Enterprises. Hello, I'm Christine from Global Tech Solutions. Good afternoon. My name is Christine and I work in the marketing field. Or, I'm honored to meet you. I've heard so much about your work in the finance sector. These phrases are respectful and suitable for professional interactions. They create a good first impression, especially in business contexts. In informal settings, such as casual gatherings, you could use, "Hey, I'm your name. Nice to meet you." "Hey, I'm Christine. Nice to meet you." "Hi, I'm your name. How's it going?" "Hi, I'm Christine. How's it going?" "What's up? I'm, your name, what's your name? What's up? I'm Christine, what's your name? Yo, I'm your name, and what do you like to do? Yo, I'm Christine, what do you like to do? Hey there, I'm your name, what brings you here today? These introductions are more relaxed and friendly. Use them when you're in a less formal environment or meeting someone for the first time among friends. Remember, the key is to match your introduction style with the setting. This will help you connect better with the person you're meeting. Now, let's talk about body language, which is just as important as the words you choose. Here are some essential tips. Smile. A genuine smile can make you seem friendly and approachable. It's the easiest way to make a great first impression. Eye contact. Keep eye contact when you're talking to someone. It shows you're really engaged and helps build trust. Next, handshake. In more formal settings, a firm handshake goes a long way. Just keep in mind, in some cultures, handshakes aren't always the go-to greeting. Nod. Nodding while listening is a simple way to show you're interested in what the other person is saying. Open arms. Keep your arms relaxed and open. It tells people you're friendly and approachable without even saying a word. Combining good body language with your greetings will help you come across as friendly and approachable. All right, it's your turn to practice. Let's go through some greetings together. I'll say one, and I want you to respond. Ready? Hi, I'm Christine. What's your name? Nice to see you. How have you been? What's new with you? Hey there, how's life treating you? What have you been up to? How's your day going? How's your week been? Great job! The more you practice, the easier it will be to use these greetings naturally. Thank you for watching today's lesson on greetings and introductions. I hope you found this information helpful for your conversations. If you did, please like the video and subscribe for more English lessons. I'd love to hear how you introduce yourself in your language or culture. So let me know in the comments. See you next time.